Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Few days ago, FCSB head coach Luciano Felipe reportedly told the media that Ngezana was gutted to have missed out on Hugo Broos' provisional squad to next month's showpiece, the FIFA World Cup, hosted by USA, Mexico and Canada. Felipe's comments raised a lot of eyebrows in South Africa, considering that Hugo Broos is only expected to announce his final Bafana Bafana World Cup squad on the 27th of May at the Union Building in Pretoria. However, Siyabonga Ngezana has now explained that Felipe had spoken to the media under the false impression that the Bafana squad had already been finalized. Here is what Siyabonga Ngezana said. There is a misunderstanding because my club didn't receive the correct information. They thought Coach Hugo Broos had already announced Bafana Bafana squad for the World Cup. Just yesterday, the club management asked me when Broos would be announcing the squad. My coach said what he said to the media before the Bafana squad was even out because he simply didn't know. He thought that when the media asked him about my Bafana prospect, the squad had already been named. It was all just a miscommunication. That's what Siyabonga Ngezana said. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of what Siyabonga Ngezana have just said? Do you think that it's really a miscommunication, or really maybe the squad has been announced and Ngezana is not on the squad? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section regarding this issue. Because for now, we'll just have to wait and see on the 27th when the squad gets announced if Siyabonga Ngezana is on the squad or not. And in other news that contains another former Kaizer Chiefs player, South African international midfielder Njabulo Blom is now a free agent after parting ways with Nam Định FC, the Vietnamese club. The 26-year-old departs before making his official debut for the Vietnamese club, where he joined in the off-season alongside compatriot Percy Tau. When it comes to Percy Tau, things have gone much better for him because he has played few games and even scored his first goal for the club. While things haven't gone according to plan, it's been heartbreaking for Blom, who suffered an injury before the start of the season. He was later deregistered from the squad in the middle of the season as they looked to add a new recruit to the team, and has now parted ways with mutual agreement. It marks a staggering change of fortunes for Blom, who broke into the senior national team setup just 5 years ago while on the books of Kaizer Chiefs, and enjoyed a stellar debut campaign in the Major League Soccer MLS with St. Louis City before returning to Amakosi on loan. Then he moved to Vietnam, where things didn't go well. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think Njabulo Blom should do? Do you think that he should return to South Africa, or he should look for other opportunities abroad, given that he's still just 26 years old? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.